Hey guys, if you have a 4th generation Honda Odyssey that's 2011 to 2017, don't be like me and go ahead and check your engine right now and make sure that your VTEC solenoid, which goes right in this spot here, make sure this VTEC solenoid is not leaking oil or seeping oil. It doesn't take much oil. It can just be a little seep. Make sure that that's not leaking oil down there. See where my finger's at? That it's seeping oil down on top of the alternator. That's what happened to me. I had some oil seeping down from the VTEC solenoid down onto the alternator, and it destroyed the alternator. So now I'm in the middle of replacing an alternator, and I'm also going to replace the gaskets on the VTEC solenoid. So here's what the kit looks like that I got. It's a Dorman kit. I'll put a link down below to where you can get this on Amazon. You don't have to replace the entire solenoid. There's a TSB out there where Honda says you have to replace this entire top end piece here. You don't have to do that. You just need to replace the gaskets. That's what the gasket looks like. And then here's my nasty alternator that's covered in oil, and that got destroyed by the oil. Really annoying because the alternators are expensive. I paid $400, $398 for this alternator from Napa. That includes a $55 core fee, so I'll return this alternator, the old one, and I'll get $55 back. So let's just say $350 for the alternator. Pretty pricey for a dumb mistake. I should have been watching this and should have noticed that there was some oil that was leaking down there. So do that now. If you've got a 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey, go check and make sure that there's no oil seeping down on top of the alternator. Stick your hand down in there, put it on top of the alternator, touch the alternator, and see if you got any oil that's on top of there. And if you do, go ahead and change it now. Actually, if I were you, if you're at 100,000 miles, go ahead and change these VTEC gaskets. They are notorious for leaking. Again, I'll put the link to the kit that you can buy on Amazon. It's really inexpensive, and it's not a difficult job to do. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Bye.